This is a simple and fast review of the HEEZ Wingtip Oxford Casual Men's Dress Sneakers. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course, let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get these out of the box, I'm just going to show you one up close real quick. Obviously comes in a bag. Sneaker sole, which is really nice, clean, and the actual shoe itself looks fantastic. Get a feel for it from above. Inner sole, very standardized kind of rubberized sole. This out. Leather lace, just so you know, and a good cushion on this. I'm gonna obviously try these out, walk around in them, wear them, stuff like that, but I want to just give you an idea on the there's kind of it's hard to see, but you can kind of see the extra cushioning around your foot inside to give you extra comfort. Plenty of bend in this as needed. But overall, it's a great looking shoe. So we're going to go ahead and try it on, test it out, and take it from there. All right, just a quick piece of information. The way they come, you have to completely relace the shoe. I find that a little bit annoying, I'm not going to lie. It's not the end of the world. It only takes about 5 minutes to do a shoe, but it's just one of those things. Like I'd rather you just didn't put the laces in at all, frankly, than lace them up in a position where literally the one string comes from the top right. So you have to completely relace. So very annoying to me, but that's that. All right, so outside of the lacing issues, they're very comfortable. I'm showing you them double knotted, wearing athletic socks. So to give you an ankle socks, just to give you an idea on kind of heights, and how they fit, look, and all that stuff. But they're extremely comfortable. They're great to walk around in. No change in kind of walking pattern or anything. Just really comfortable. My toes are coming right to about where they should. Decent wide base. Comfortable soles, as mentioned. Leather laces do make it a little difficult to kind of tighten. So double knots are usually recommended when you're dealing with that. Plus, they're plenty long, so that actually kind of worked in its own way. But overall, they're super comfortable and casual. So good looking shoe. I wish they didn't lace them the way they did to start, but definitely like the kind of look and feel. So worth buying. Hopefully, this review helped. Thanks for watching.